Happy April 12th, 8th graders. It is the 155th anniversary of the start of the Civil War, which is extremely exciting and actually not the reason I'm sending out this video. The real reason I'm sending out this video is to give just a quick shout out to my boy Christian, doing some nice work on his Captain of Industry response here. Wanted to run through that with you guys a little bit. Just a quick shout out and things to notice about Christian's work here. First of all, very clear claim. I'm excited about that. Let's just take a look at that. J.P. Morgan was a captain of industry because he contributed to the nation's growth in a positive way. How do I know that he's a captain of industry? Well, Christian tells me exactly what a captain of industry is right here. A captain of industry is a man that does things for his country and treats other people with respect. Boom. I know right there. That's what a captain of industry is. Thank you for defining that, Christian. Great job. Although I may or may not agree with your assessment of J.P. Morgan as treating other people with respect, I understand exactly the criteria that you're using. Furthermore, you go on and you give me some ways that he actually does things for his country. Right? You go here and you talk about how he's a successful banker. He contributed to the country by financing railroads, by financing U.S. Steel and General Electric. That's excellent evidence to support your point that he contributed to the nation's growth in a positive way and that he did things for his country. Excellent work. When you swing by class today, I don't know, hook you up with something, like some candy or some other candy, or maybe like an iPhone. You're not going to get an iPhone, or some pop or some popcorn. You just tell me and I'll get it for you. Have a good day.